Tasi Ta804B. It is a Catii 600V 5999 count multimeter. It uses battery AAA one piece 1.5V. Size is a 148 times 76 times 21 mm. It weighs 175 grams. Its tap pan about 82 cm long. It is a CATIII 1kW test pan. DC watt is a 0.6 mW to 600V. AC watt 1 mW to 600V. Resistor range 0.1 ohm to 60 megaohm. Capacitor 1 nF to 60 megafarad. NCV have 3 range: low, mid, and high. And live test Hertz is 50 Hz to 1 kHz. Die test output is 3.2 watt, 1 milliamp. Continuity 50 ohm per 20 ohm, and less than this may be beyond. Its overvoltage protection at 200V RMS AC and DC. It have auto off function. And let's see the meter now. It made in China. Model is a Ta804B. Okay, come with a normal spot and one bag. They have a test pan and a meter and a user menu, a process, and a screwdriver, and 2 alkaline battery. And let's see the meter. This is the power on function. This is a select function, live and NCV function, toss function, and hold. It's a normal 4mm jet. That's an NCV function. That's top land. And this is the cover. And this is the battery compartment. We open it. They have a 1 screw inside. And inside have one piece of AAA battery. Okay, let's call the meter. Okay, now compare the meter first. For the ending, about the same size, but thicker than this. But ending have current testing. And the B side is a thinner of this one, thinner. And we open it. The B side is better than this one, this meter. Okay, let's test the user menu first. The user menu only Chinese. Okay, the user menu finished. And let's see the cable. It 1 kW. And have the copper cap. Now we compare the fruit. Now DC reference testing. Now 10 volt. This meter 10 volt. 7.5. It's okay, 7.5. 5 volt. ISO 5.003. 2.5 volt. ISO 2.502. It also same at the full. Okay. DC voltage test finished. Now see the AC voltage. ISO 222.8. Fruit is 222. So it not stable. 222 about fruit. This meter 223. Okay, AC voltage test finished. Okay, now test the resistor function. One amp ISO 1.5 because the test tip about 0.3. Ten amp ISO 10.3. 10.04K ISO 10.04K. 20.02K ISO 20.02K. It very accuracy. 100.6K ISO 100.6K. 0.5K ISO 507.2.3 is also accuracy. 1.997 meg ISO 1.996 meg. 5.09 meg ISO 5.016 meg. 10.87 meg ISO 10.7879 meg. 22.3 meg ISO 21.6 meg is accuracy of the resistor. Okay, let's see the low amp function. its continuity. Now, the continuity makes sound about 78. Normal is 50 feet, 55. Let's test 25 ohm, 30 ohm, 50 ohm, 40 ohm. It's so okay. And let's see the die test. Now die test function is a normal die. 0.542 watt is okay. Let's see the meter can light up the LED. Okay, red okay, yellow okay, green okay, blue also okay, white also okay. It can light up all the LED. It's good. Okay, let's test another function. Capacitor function. 10 mil. ISO 10.6869 μF. It's okay. For a larger one, 1K. ISO sorry. One 36 microfarad. It also accuracy of this one. And now we see the bigger one. ISO 4512. Okay. Let's see the meter B sound. Fast. In auto mode, fast only have a reading and no any sound. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and in the auto mode, now it is in the auto mode. Now it's a manual mode. Let's see the function. It's so far for the latching. And normal B sound is about 66. It's so far of this meter. of the in the manual mode of the B sound. It's very well. And this meter have a top function. In this long part, this may be the torch on. And long part may be off. And this switch also have a hole. It's a hole switch. Let's try it. The data hole and the hertz also show on. Okay. Now see the NCV function of this meter. Now in NCV, the NCV is a jump. Now 2 bar. Now 4 bar. And let's see the cable. It also very sensitive of this one. And they have a live check function of this meter. Let's see the light check. Normal use the wet test pen. We try it. Don't touch the thing. It's okay. It's so. Neutral, no function. Earth, no function. Okay, let's see the another pens. It also show the reading. Neutral, no. Earth, no. Okay. It very well of this one. And for this meter, the DC current, DC voltage is a lower. If lower than 0.6 volt, they may not function. Let's see the meter. Now 0.6 volt. When the voltage is low, like this, they may be show the K in this one. When we rising the voltage, about 0.6 volt may be correct, have the voltage of this meter. 0.5 volt also not okay. Normal 0.6 volt may be okay. Okay, this function test finished. Let's see the reference cap. Oh, sorry. In auto mode, that cannot measure the cap. The reference km 4.99 for 3 to 7 km. Okay, let's see the cap. The cap cannot measure. Let's see the cap. The cap has a 0.121 μF. This meter cannot measure. And the is a 5 km, 5.001 km. It's so 5.992 to 7 km. Okay, test finished. Power consumption test. Now it's normal jaw current, 0.05 M. It's okay. Now as a meter T down of this one. There's our like a mobile phone saw cover and this meter. We open it. Okay, for school out. Let's see the meter. This have a LAN, no any shielding, and a battery pack inside this one. they have a part, a more part. And inside cannot find any fuse protest. Okay, let's try to open the diff. It's a more buzzer. Oh, so thin. There's the best light. In the touch switch, and this is the skin. And a plastic cover. Okay, let's finish off this one. Let's test the NCV. It not to cold the switch also so on. When touch, maybe the next sound and silent. It's so strong. Okay. And now it's in the outdoor area. You can see a little. When in a sunshine position, they cannot see anything of this meter. And this meter have a auto close off function. When not in use, they in 10 minutes they will be auto off the meter and come with a beep sound and then close off the meter. And then now testing the temperature of the meter. Now it's 30.2 or 4 cells, and this is nearly the reading, and this 27 not very accuracy of the temperature. And now wait the time for this meter auto cools down, and still have few minutes. And so we saw the user manual. The user manual say that hold the whole key and the power switch once again in the off time. The meter may be close off the auto off function, but I check it, that is wrong. It must be use the host key. It must use the NCV key at the power key, simulating to in push it and in the power off mode, and then will be cancel the auto power off function. And let's see the meter now for auto off now. They have a beep and wait a time, maybe close off this meter. And in the time off mode, this is auto off mode. They have a logo in this one. And waiting it for close down. Now it's auto close down, and the user manual is warm. It must be put on NCV live NCV switch and the power on switch, and wait for the 3B. Then maybe cancel the auto off function. That's always on function. Okay, when the function is come switch off the meter, maybe turn on the auto power off again, like this, auto power off. Okay, thanks for watching.